Have you ever looked up at the moon and wondered what it would be like to explore its surface? To perhaps even mine for valuable resources? Well, it's a fascinating topic that's been gaining traction in recent years. But the question remains, is lunar mining actually allowed? The moon has always captured our imagination, inspiring countless myths and legends. But in recent decades, it's also become a target for scientific exploration and, more controversially, economic exploitation. With the potential for valuable resources like helium-3, which could be used for clean nuclear fusion, the moon's allure has intensified. Legal framework. So, is it legal to mine the moon? The answer isn't as straightforward as you might think. While there's no international treaty explicitly prohibiting lunar mining, the Outer Space Treaty of 1967 does establish some key principles. It states that outer space, including the moon, is the province of mankind and shall not be subject to national appropriation by claim of sovereignty, by use or occupation, or by any other means. This suggests that no single nation can claim ownership of the moon or its resources. National claims and international law. Despite the Outer Space Treaty, some countries have expressed interest in claiming territory on the moon. For example, the United States has hinted at potential future claims, while Russia has suggested that it might establish a lunar base. These claims, however, are likely to face legal challenges and international opposition. Commercial interests and private companies. Beyond national claims, there are also growing commercial interests in lunar mining. Private companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin have expressed their ambitions to explore and potentially exploit the moon's resources. These companies argue that lunar mining could be a lucrative venture that could benefit humanity as a whole. Challenges and considerations. While the prospect of lunar mining is exciting, there are significant challenges to overcome. These include the high costs of transportation, the harsh lunar environment, and the potential for environmental damage. Additionally, there are concerns about the long-term sustainability of lunar mining and the ethical implications of exploiting celestial bodies. The future of lunar mining remains uncertain. While there is growing interest and potential, the legal and technical hurdles are substantial. International cooperation and consensus will be essential to ensure that any future lunar mining activities are conducted responsibly and sustainably. So, to answer the original question, is lunar mining allowed? While there is no explicit prohibition, the Outer Space Treaty and other international laws create a complex legal landscape. The future of lunar mining will depend on how these laws are interpreted and implemented, as well as the development of technology and international cooperation. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep looking up and wondering about the endless possibilities of space exploration.